Number 1. Sonos Arc. The Sonos Arc delivers an amazing home theater experience. With Dolby Atmos support, it provides immersive 3D sound, making you feel like you're surrounded by audio while watching movies and shows. Its sleek design adds a modern touch to your living room. The Arc offers crystal clear sound at all frequencies, and you won't experience distortion even at higher volumes. Plus, with Alexa and Google Assistant integration, you can control it with your voice. The only downside is its higher price tag, but it definitely justifies the cost with its top-tier performance.